Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover lost files in your Google Drive. So let's say you need to find a file in your Google Drive, but you can't find it. It is possible that you accidentally delete it from your Google Drive, and if you want to find it, you need to go to the trash right here, because when you delete a file in Google Drive, it won't be gone forever. It will move to the trash here before it is gone or deleted forever. So what you need to do is click on the trash in the left panel here, and then find the lost file that you want to uh, probably edit. For example, I want to recover, okay, this one's right here. And then what you need to do is you can just click on the right click on the file and then click on restore. As you can see, it is has been restored, and you can just click on show file location to detect the file. So here is the original files right here. And I think that's all for me. That is how you can recover or retrieve lost files in Google Drive. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment if you get any question, and don't forget to subscribe. See you all on the next videos. Bye bye.